Hello, this is Becca and I am back with a new series of videos showing you how I turn my 3D models into actual figures. This is what my models look like when they've just come off the 3D printer. I put them in hot water so that the supports come up without much effort. When working with resin printers, you need to be very delicate with the print before you cure it, as to not damage it too much, which is why I take the supports off before curing. Part 2 of removing the supports. Since I'm printing such small figures, the supports are the thinnest setting, and because there are a lot of overhanging parts on the mesh, I need a lot of supports to make sure it all prints well. If I cured this before removing the supports, I would run the risk of snapping off some of the small details. This is also the best way of preventing the supports from leaving marks on the print. This is going to be quite a long series of videos, so I hope you stick around until the end and see the final result of them painted. Hello and welcome to part 3. All the little kaiju have been primed now after they have been cured, so it's time to paint them with a base coat. Normally if I'm doing a larger batch of minis, I will airbrush them all the same colour, but since I was only doing a small handful of them, I just got the brush out and started brushing on the base colour. So I thought I would experiment a bit and use a colour I wouldn't normally use for the base coat. So this little blue that I'm using, it's a nice colour, but I probably wouldn't use it again to base coat them since it didn't really add much in the end, and I think I covered it mostly with other paint. Make sure you keep watching. I'm gonna be dry brushing the next couple layers of paint on, even though they do look pretty swag in this nice shiny blue colour.